सगळेच आशिल्ले जेन्ना सनसेटाचेर एक just to evaluate the situation, to take a stock of the situation, Honorable DCP Minister came personally along with the additional collector, members of the disaster management cell, fire services, आमचे. आणि काल तुम्ही सगळ्यात जाणात की दिस ट्रँक्विल म्हणजे कंपनी दे हॅड हेल्प्ड अस टू स्प्रे द फायर with some aqueous based microbiological culture which stabilizes the methane gas. And but the material that we had was very little, just about 150 liters, which was enough for one fire tender, that is of about 4,000 liters capacity, and it was not enough to spread all over the place. The same material was tried at Devnar in Mumbai when a similar episode had happened. So everybody was of the opinion, the collective decision was that somehow the disaster management cell has failed to act. The disaster management cell has failed to act. They were not able to give a concrete solution. So I think the Margao Municipal Council, along with the chief officer, along with other councillors and the endorsement of the fire services, we have decided to take the responsibility of the fire, and we have decided to go ahead and procure this material at our cost from this Tranquil. We require about 2,000 liters. The actual requirement is around 1,700. Still we are keeping about 300 liters as a backup. And we are placing an order today, and today I had to take this emergency meeting to take the council approval for procurement of the material. This yesterday we saw it and it was helping, but I think when a disaster strikes now, you know, we really, I think our effort is to, in the best faith and with the best intentions, to control the smoke which is really become a...
How long will it take,
they are saying like it will take about, once it is sprayed, it will take about 2 days for the entire thing to douse down, you know, the smoke, and within about 4-5 दिसाक ते म्हणटा सगळे सामके नॉर्मल हातूंत येतले म्हणून.